Hello viewers, rupees 283 crore worth Dimapur railway station ke world class railway station banaure laga project to ita tak pi complete noi gina ase aro government by December 2024 do idu project to complete kore laga deadline dina thakse holibi ita tak pi idu project to khatam noi gina ase aro idu laga main issue do lane encroachment issue dikho parise. So it laga Naga Council Dimapur laga President GK Rengma Bravi press conference they already highlight kudishe ki government ba 96 patas kan lane owners khange dishe so it laga issue upore bishi charcha jaise to aji 11th May 2026 te Naga Council Dimapur laga conference room de DUCCF aro Dimapur based CSOs khambra ta meeting rakhina ase to viewers I will man itu meeting outcome dukina dakshe man DUCCF la president ge bi huda do ko sawo.
Sir, today aji ekta meeting loise yate NCT office there, and in fact railway iju encroachment laga issue la upore for world class mala development activities hamper kuri ase koina NCT also has given bites on this, and also today and the meeting was in regard to that again. Is it because of what the Railway Area Landowners Association said that NCT should not, though they appreciate the efforts, intervention beyond advocacy could dilute efforts in a for an early resolution. Do you have anything to say on it? Was that discussed today?
Yeah. Thank you, Media Fraternity. Aji to itu discussion korise. Moi khan bi oko apprehension nai, oko hidden agenda nai. Naga Council to represents 20 tribe. 20 tribe under the Aishukule CNTC, ENPO, Tenime Union, Aro, Southern Nagas. So milai 20 tribe laga organization ase. Aro tate CSO charter, DNSU, DUCCF, Naga Women Hoho, Aro mohana GB Union Sadar. To mohan itu discussion kurina ha homaite kinega hogina ami khan nijor railway laga affected landowners khan ke modok kurubo na. Itula ase tai khan ko apprehension na thakibo lage ami khan laga development te juldi itu development to hamper ho jaise nole ruki jaise to sob manu laga benefit to itu disadvantage ekta hoi jabo jesa itu paratok to ami khan bi pressure digena ami khan laga set state government ami age debi koise committee set kurigena ase itu lot juldi movement kurigena the paratok to resolve korile bhal kogena itu laga aji discussion korise aji discussion de to sabi ami khan non locals community khan tahan ke mati gena ase kali tai khan laga bhavna bi ki ase itu tahan laga te meeting kora to itu ko alag nai itu tai khan ke bi huda hudi korile to that is also bhal ase kogena itu ase kile ami khan nijo local leaders khan tate kun land owners khan ase tahan office bearers tahan land owners labi ami khan discuss kora ase tahan bhavna bi alag hobo pare to edu karone all are one ita ami khan bhavna korigena ha mati to ita to government ba dise tai khan ke ita encroachment no libi illegal to kobo na pare because government has given them the pata na so now the state government kiniga itu tackle kurula ase to tahan na pore bishi discussion ase but everything to kobo na parebo libi land owners khan to boha pisite ami khan real issue to ami khan buji pabo itu yes
sir railway landowners union khan ba takange apni la meeting batala damra statement ekta dise so have they also reverted back that they would be attending the meeting eco response ashna na takan bra yes no ushule do NCTP tade ki jawab diu munja ase
see ami khan naga ita tahan revert back to corona de mohan bhavna kuri ase ki tahan ahibo kogina kilo ami khan to yete discussion kora to tahan ki kina hoina ami khan support kurina age de kina gone government logot jabo itu laga ase kilo le to bhal ase civil society ase to itu to land owner laga organization ekta ase to ere civil society sob ase to ami khan we are concerned itu nimite kina hone tahan laga bi কি আছে এইটো ভাল বা ডিছকাশ্যন কৰি কিনে আগেতে লৈ যাব লগা কথাই আছে তো ইমানটোকে আমি উই আৰ হোপিং ফৰ ইট that
They don't turn up, sir, for the meeting.
So I'll just add to that. It's one goal that everyone has to develop the railway station, and yes, like you have said, clearly said that government has given them the land, so you cannot say encroachment also. 96 pattas in in that many acres of land, and they also have the right. Basically, you're saying that also that we cannot call them encroachers. So if it is all legitimate landowners, why can't everybody move together in one?
your question is very itu bishi valid ase আমি kan meeting kuro to taka to itu laga ase to oko hidden agenda nai to kuma to koi ase আমি kan compromise hoye jese taka nogote sabi public aro viewers kan ke kole mon taka to pata ekta pa itu to janda bani pa to itu mati to he or she tala nam da ise bole to tala documentation right hoye jese to mati karne acquire করলে তো গভর্নমেন্ট আমি খান এডমিনিস্ট্রেশন বা দি দিছে তো পাতা তাহলে না নাও there is no reasonable doubt of illegal encroachment okay কিনেকা হৈ কিনে এইটো সলভ কৰিব লেণ্ড ওনাৰ্ছ খান বি মিলি কিনে কিনে হয়নে কৰিলে ভাল হ'ব এইটোৱে আছে আমি খানতো এইটো ৰেলৱে ষ্টেচনটো বনাব লাগে ৱৰ্ল্ড ক্লাছ লাগে মহান তাতেহে আমি খান লগা ফিউচাৰ নট অনলি ফৰ ডিমাপুৰ বাট দ্য হোল নাগালেণ্ড আমি খান নাগা মানুহ লগা ফিউচাৰ নিমিত্তে আছেতো তাতে ৱৰ্ল্ড ক্লাছ হ'লে দে উইল বি বেচিক এমিউনিটিজ থাকিব আলাগ আলাগ ষ্টেটছখান অলৰেডি বনাই কিনে ভাল বা ইউজ কৰি আছেতো আমি খান ইয়াতে ডিফিকাল্টি হৈ আছে এইটোৰ পৰা কামিং বেক টু ইয়ৰ কুৱেশ্যন অন দ্য পইণ্ট ইজ দেট উই হেভ নাথিং টু ডু এগেইনষ্ট আৱাৰ লেণ্ড অনাৰ্ছ তাখান নাহিছে বুলিতো দেট ইজ আপ টু দেম উই কেনট কমেণ্ট অন ইট ফাৰ্ডাৰ কাৰণ আহিছে বুলিতো এটলিষ্ট চব এজন আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ড কৰি কিনে কিনা সাপোর্ট করবো এটোলা আছে আই হোপ দে উইল টার্ন আউট ইনস্টেড অফ বিকামিং নেগেটিভ অন দিস গ্রাউন্ড না আমি কারণ তাহান বাকু পাব নিমিত্তে বি নহয় আমি কারণ তাহান বাকু মাঙ্গিব কারণে বি নহয় হলে বি মিলি কিনে একেলগে করলে তো নাহা মানুষ কারণে ভালো হব নেকি কই না এইটোহে জনাই দিয়ে আছে থ্যাংক ইউ
So again, adding to that, they said that it is now nearing final settlement and appeal for the association to be allowed to conclude negotiations with the government without, and I quote, further disturbance from different quarters. That is what they have written in their rejoinder. So now it seems to me that both will go separate ways. So even though the landowners will go separate, even the CSOs are going to go separately in pursuance of this development.
There is no issue of going separate. It's only one motive, that landowners, if they have to get compensation or whatever, it should be done as soon as possible. Kile hole to development to face hisab pra shuru hoise to itu karone ami khan ta khan final phase te hobi beginning phase te hobi naga manu bi right ase to railway station to lukai kine bana ase niki na we have the right to ask aru mon yete ha to than ke hamper korle ha nai to na mati to beshi manu laga effect hoye na ase itu karone ami khan yete ha to ekjon help korbo karone kile ekjon ke আমি খান দুখ দিব এইটো কাৰণে অহা নাছে দে শুড নট হেভ এনি এপ্ৰিহেনশ্যন এইটো কাৰণে তাহান ফাট এনেকুৱা পেপাৰতে লিখি দিয়াটো উই ৱাজ ছাৰপ্ৰাইজ না উই আৰ জাষ্ট গোইং টু চিট ডাউন এণ্ড টক উইথ দেম উই আৰ নট অথৰিটি তাহান লগা মহান একো অথৰিটি নাইতো এইটো কাৰণে মহান তাহানক কথা ক'ব লগা কাৰণে নাগা কনচিলৰ মাথা লগা আছে and thank you so much for the questions.
Last question.
Yeah.
Are you aware that in 1992 or 1993 the state government had issued an order or notification where they have instructed the Deputy Commissioner of Dimapur not to issue land patas in the railway areas? Are you aware of that?
Yeah, this notification to khali ami aware nohoy sob public jani ase notification there it's not written exactly railway but whole government land to issue nokoribi kogina ase etu to sob manu jani ase holibi kwa nishna eta to issue kori dise whether what will happen we don't know but to the best mohana knowledge to land owners can be man salba thakala aso tate to the bra tahan bi legitimate right to ase aro naga council also further discuss korigena kenika outcome hobo to sabo.
Is it safe to conclude that the state government is the sole is in fault here?
And not just that, have they given any communication in regard to this issue to the CSOs, or I'm sure the landowners also, they'll have their
See,
thing to say? Is there any
I can only comment on that, saying that 1992 was way far ahead, nah? So every after 5 years, government is changing, government is coming, but we see the present government is it's in a continuous mode right now. So these orders to 1992 laga to, whether they are aware of it or not also, we have to take that under consideration. Ita itu government na order to American it be present government cannot make that null and void na. Will be that can be responsible dangor ita booking ase itu laga. I'm very sure that our state government will, as soon as possible, it will resolve for the balo oni ki kogena itu he ta request ko ase mon public sector.
So viewers, ita meeting khotom hoise aro councillor and member NCD who is also the president of DUCCF Jasivik ko jakise dobra media khan lode interact karamne janai dishe ki itu world class Dimapur railway station project to implement kushigli do Dimapur ekla noigina malaga whole state karni bishi faida ho nishna dikhole pare se guna janai dishe aro ite Jasivik ko bi janai dishe ki itu project to progress horin na parado खाली railway affected lane owners association खलागा गलती कला नोहे किले मने early 90s ते government बा 96 patas kan issue कुशे so इधर एक सवाल तो state government बा भी इधु lane owners खलागा पड़े तहानगे इको compensation खाम भी dueless ना नहीं इधु एक सवाल आसे so हमें दिखो पड़े से कि Dimapur railway station तो साइड शुगले तो platform 1 तो चाहेगी ना platform 2 ते canopy तक भी नहीं So itia Jasivik ko jakise to bakwa dishna itu project to Dimapur de aishigle do Nagaland state karni bishi faida ho aro malaga state laga economy bi bishi boost ho nishna dikho paise ki ushigle do Dimapur railway station do northeast region laga second highest revenue generating railway station ekta ase so itu bra malaga state karni bishi faida ho do dikho paise aro ita saishigle do railway ekta side te railway department aro ekta side te NCD khan ase So itak ta sawal do state government babi itu laga opor than bin kurigina intervene kona nai aro itu officials kan jundu early 90s te pata khan issue kushe itu khan laga opor dibi iku action khan lawless na nai itu ta sawal ase so itak ta khota do judi itu world class railway station project to stagnant hogina progress kona pagina railway department khamba alag state te luji shugli do malaga state karne kiman nuksan ho aro itu shugli do kun hi responsible ho Amen hope good ho ki malaga state government babi itu issue laga opor de nutun kadam ekta uthawo aro jundu itu project laga opor de issues khan jase itu ekta permanent solution ekta nole amen rukhi dago jagani manase for more news and updates keep watching Global Window. This is Loli Watsa with my camera person Mankaba Jamir reporting from Naga Council Office Dimapur.